Instead of making hundreds of accounts on various websites in the hopes of making a few pennies here and there, I will show you how to create a single account on a single website and pool all of your revenues. And I will teach you how you can get free PayPal cash codes today. This is a technique that you may benefit from even if you are a total beginner. And it really doesn't matter what your age is or wherever you are, because you can withdraw your earnings directly into your PayPal account. And as you may know, you don't need a debit card or a credit card to open a PayPal account. All you have to do is provide your email address, and that's basically it. I'm also going to show you a way that you can redeem Amazon gift cards if that's what you prefer. And I will make sure to only reveal the best and the most efficient way to do so. Now, I am asking you for a little bit of patience because unless you pay close attention to each detail and to my instructions and follow them correctly, this will not work. So if you have a little bit of patience and spare time on your hands, make sure to watch this video until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. This will be a step-by-step lesson in which I will lead you through the entire procedure so that you have a complete outline to follow after watching this video. This means you only need to pay attention for a few minutes before you can take action and start making money. And the very first thing I'd like you to do is visit the website. This website is called PrizeRebel.com. Now that you've arrived, you have two choices. You can either make an account by providing your first name, last name, email address, and password, or you can use Facebook to join up, which may be a little more convenient. Right after that, you should be able to see that these guys offer you a few various options for withdrawing your funds. The first option here is PayPal, which allows you to withdraw your profit directly into your PayPal account. Other options here include Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, Steam gift cards, and eBay gift cards. It is entirely up to you whatever choice you pick, but I am here to offer you the most effective method of creating points and as a result, profits. So here's a quick rundown on how the website works. They're seeking for members and survey takers basically. They will ask you to participate in market research and collect points, which you can then redeem for gift cards or PayPal prizes. These are only a few examples of prizes that their members have received in the past, and you may conduct your own study on the internet using independent sources to determine whether or not this is worthwhile. However, I'll only teach you the most efficient method for generating points, so you don't lose too much time on the process. Because most people who connect to this website ends up wasting a lot of time and effort on things that don't make a lot of money and don't produce good results. And I don't want you to end up there because it can be quite frustrating. And I don't want you to give up on the process too soon. They have reviews on websites like Trustpilot, Survey Police, and SiteJabber, so you can do your own research. So what we have to do here first is sign up. Once you've done the sign up process, this is how the PrizeRebel homepage will appear. As you can see, they have a lot of different things that we have to go over. But before I get into detail about the activities that you can do on this website to earn points, I want you to get an idea of how much money you can earn and how quickly you can earn it. We can see all the withdrawal choices if we click the rewards area right here. The first one is a $5 Amazon gift card, which is one of the most popular and costs 500 points. Now, you have the option of using PayPal to purchase a $5 PayPal gift card, which will cost you 500 points. And the minimum amount you can withdraw is 200 points or $2 if you don't have enough. If you want, you can purchase an Amazon gift card for only $2, but that is not all. If you go to the newest gift card area, as you can see, they will give you other gifts that you can use in games like League of Legends. And they also have many other categories, including travel, gaming, arts and crafts, and so on. I'll leave it up to you to figure out what they are. However, you can see the most recent prizes right here on the right hand side, which is a useful feature. Cash cards such as the $10 PayPal Money gift card and the $5 one are now being withdrawn by some customers. You can also choose to withdraw a certain sum like this other user has done. Now, returning to the homepage, as you can see, completing this daily survey will get you 50 points, and remember that you only need 200 points to redeem your first gift card. Now, this other survey that you can complete every day will give you an extra 70 points, which means you only need to complete 4 of the other surveys to get your first gift card, which isn't too bad. In order to fully comprehend the prices, different advertisers are willing to pay thousands of dollars in exchange for your honest opinion and will connect you to PrizeRebel.com. They will pay them a certain amount of money in exchange for your honest feedback, and in return, PrizeRebel will give you a percentage of their earnings. Now, this may not seem like much, but it is still a lot considering you only give your opinions and write a few lines of text or maybe answer a few multiple choice questions. So it's really easy, beginner friendly, and it's a no-brainer really. But now, an additional feature that I enjoy about this website is the fact that the more active you are, the more chances you can generate even more profits. As you can see here, if you log in into your account for 5 days consecutively, and you actually complete surveys and are active on the platform, you will get an additional reward of 25 points. Now, something worth mentioning is this daily raffle, and if you click on this button right here, you can see what it is all about. They're basically giving away a bunch of different gift cards, and there are not 1,000 of entries. This means that it will really be easy for you to win. Now, the daily raffles are just an additional feature, but you can focus on the things that you can actively do in order to get some extra cash. And these are the surveys and the offer walls. If you click on the offer walls button, you will be led to this portion of the website where you can begin doing your daily survey, which will gain you points to begin earning. But as you can see from the bar at the top of the page, they have a variety of surveys to choose from. All of these services are provided by various companies. So basically, they're combining all of the different websites so that you can use a single account to access all of them. All of these methods essentially generate active income for you, which means you must be actively participating. To make this work, you must be in front of your computer or at least in front of your mobile phone. As a result, you must be doing something active in order to generate revenue. They have also set out a referral scheme that you may take advantage of without doing anything extra in order to get some passive cash. All you have to do is copy the link on the left-hand side right here and share it with your friends, and you will receive 100 to 500 bonus points in a single day. So to cut all of this short, this website has tons of ways for you to make money online. Just do the steps I showed you and keep doing it every single day to have passive and active income. Maximize every income generating tool this website has, and you will earn hundreds of dollars in no time. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.